These are the Bastard grill pins. They are coming in at 361 grams. The package. 15 centimeters long, 5.5 centimeters wide, 3 centimeters thick. The back side shows you how it works. When we open it up, we've got some information in the lid, and we've got ourselves some nice stainless steel, the grill pins as Bastard calls them. How to use them: open up your barbecue, lock it in place, there we go. You can do whatever you want. Take the grid lifter, lift it up, and there you go. Here you got yourself a nice extra layer to bake some stuff. You can combine it with the cast iron, griddle, plancha, whatever you want. But this is an ideal way and cheaper than the racks they already have.